It has been a very long time since I did one of these, but I'm going to do a proper unboxing of a product that you probably didn't even know was coming out, but I'm one of the first people in the United States to have it. Let's get into it right now. So like I said, I am one of the first people to have this brand new piece of hardware here, which might sound a little weird because I do a lot of software reviews, a lot of apps, programs, tutorials, walkthroughs. I have a product. A physical product by a company who makes software. And I bet you can't guess who it is. I am talking about the brand new EvoTether by Evoto. This is something that I didn't know was coming out. I'm extremely excited to be one of the first people in the United States to have this product, to be able to say that I have something that nobody has seen before. Now, there are a couple floating around from one of the last conferences. I was not sponsored or paid to make this video. I was sent this to check out, to unbox. I have messed around with one at a previous conference, but let's see what you get. Now, this is going to compare similar to a lot of the other tether cables. It is also a USB-C to USB-C angle, 15 feet USB-C to USB-C angle. And we can go ahead, switch around to the backside here, and I will leave this up for a second, let you pause it. That way you can see what cameras it works for as of currently. Now, what this is going to allow you to do is this is going to allow you to tether directly to Evoto and be able to adjust those settings as you go shooting your photos. This is pretty much instantaneous. When you take the photo, it is almost instantly getting directly on your computer or your iPad, allowing you to adjust and export almost instantly. Now, as of right now, this is not available online. This is only available at conferences, workshops, and special locations. Future Josh here, and if you want one of these EvoTether cables for yourself, stop by the Evoto booth at WPPI in Las Vegas, March 17th through 20th. Find out how. I'll see you there. But I want to show you. It's really cool. So there is one major feature about this that a lot of the other companies do not include. And I'm going to get into that in just a second. But what I want to do is I want to show you the cable. We'll go ahead and rip into this right now and see that it is that awesome Evoto yellow color, has their branding directly on it. And the cable itself is really high quality. You can tell just by feeling it that it shouldn't kink or really mess up at all. But here's the cool thing. Here's the special piece that got me. And what that is it is actually one of these little tether lock type tools that go on the bottom. And they did not miss the mark with branding here. Look at this. Branding directly on it, looking good. Looking real good. And let me show you how this works. So I have my camera here. I have my Sony a7R IV. So what you can actually do is you can actually take this, run this cord through here, and let's give myself a little bit of more wiggle room here so I don't kink any cables. And we'll go ahead and we'll give it about like that. And we'll go ahead and we'll place this in there and then there. So our cable is running through it. And then we'll go ahead and find our 1/4 thread, which mine would be on the bottom of my holster clip. But for display purposes, I just have it running here. And now our cable is more secure. It's not going to go anywhere. It's not going to mess up as we're shooting or anything like that. We have our cable nice and secure in there. So this is really cool that it comes with this little tether lock system down here that you can screw in, because that's a major issue when you're working. This will pop out and then you'll lose signal and you'll lose the tether capability. As well as it makes sure that you don't really drop your camera or lose your camera. Now, there is another 1/4 on the bottom of this actual little lock system that you'd be able to screw in any sort of bracket or clip or anything. I would probably do it the other way around personally, but these are usually extra. You usually have to pay for these tether lock thingies extra. And this one's included in here. So not only are you getting essentially a free cable for signing up, you're also getting a free lock with it too. You are saving money that way. This is just a little review and unboxing. I was excited to get it. I am going to show a couple clips here of just how quick it works. I'll just kind of show them over as we're shooting. I just did some photos in my studio and I showed how quick the tether is, and it's really, really fast to go from that photo to the edit to the export. They hit the nail on the head with this one. I'm very excited to have one. If you want one, show up to WPPI in Las Vegas or any of the other conferences that are currently going on as of 2025. Find the Evoto booth, tell them that Josh Russell sent you and you want to sign up and get one of these awesome cables. That's it. I just wanted to show this off. I'm excited about it. I hope you're excited about it. And if you're excited to learn more about how to exactly use Evoto in all of its amazingness, maybe check this video out here because I really think you'll get this one and I really think you'll enjoy it. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. Deuces.